Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Goat Simulator 3. You can gather a herd of up to 4 players, whether you are all in the same room or connecting from different locations. We will cover both local split screen and online co-op options, including how to invite friends and understand crossplay capabilities. Get ready to cause some serious mayhem together. To begin your multiplayer adventure, first launch Goat Simulator 3. If you plan to play online, make sure your game is connected to the internet. For local co-op, simply connect your extra controllers to your system. Once you are at the main title screen, navigate to the Friends menu to see your options for inviting others. Inviting friends is straightforward. From the Friends menu, select the players you wish to invite from your platform's friend list and send them an invitation. They will receive a notification to accept and join your game. For local split screen, additional players can simply hold the designated button on their controller, like the X button on Xbox or the square button on PlayStation, to jump right into the action. Once everyone is in, you can explore the vast open world of San Angora as a team of up to 4 goats. Work together to complete quests or compete against each other in 7 different minigames scattered across the map. Remember, while the host progresses through main quests, all players keep their cosmetic unlocks and currency earned during the session. Have fun causing chaos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.